Hozi aina leizaribasi BJP gi state headquarter niti pakchuthekta leiba thambal shanglen gi getani ngarang Delhi da meeting famduna BJP legislator party gi leader oina khankraba Yumnam Khemchan Singjamai gi MLA amadi Manipur gi hanagi speaker oiramba Yumnam Khemchan na New Delhi da gi ngasi hek thungbaga governor da sanctionduna formally lengak semnabagi damak state claim tawkre popular government ama semnabagi damakta state claim tawkre aduga wasakpagi ceremony asidi Lok Bhavan gi site gi ngahaki manungda miyam da timing do chapchab do thambirakani hairakli aduga lengak sembagi claim tawba aduda BJP legislative party gi leader khanbagi central observer oikhiba Tarun Chuk BJP Northeast in charge Dr. Sambit Patra BJP Manipur Pradesh ki President A. Sarda Hanagi Chief Minister N. Biren MLA Govindas Konthaujam LM Khaute Losi Dikho Mayanglambam Rameshwar amasung Nur Sanglur Sanatesu Saruk Yaki Hari BJP legislative party leader Yumnam Khemchan has officially staked claim before the governor to form the next popular government in Manipur. He submitted the claim at Lok Bhavan soon after arriving in Imphal from New Delhi this morning. Yumnam Khemchan ga punna lagminakiba team asina Delhi dagi Imphal airport ta hek thunglaba matung Lok Bhavan da changduna governor da lengak sembagi claim asi tawrakibani claim tawba loiraga tholakpada central observer Tarunna Pangmi Singh da Khemchan gi leaching makhada lakadoriba lengak asina state asi chawkhotpagi lambida changchinba ngamlagani haina phongdoklamki BJP na chaminariba party khudingmak amatta oina punna chaminaduna aphaba Manipur amagi damak thabak tongminaragani haina phongdoklamki Yumnam Khemchan gi oina di wasak lobagi matungda oina wa nganglingba apamba phongdoklamki BJP Legislative Party leader Yumnam Khemchan, he officially staked claim government formation in Manipur. Soon after arriving from New Delhi, Yumnam Khemchan and a team of BJP leaders went to Lok Bhavan to stake claim government formation in the state. The delegation that accompanied him included BJP Central Observer Tarun Chuk, Northeast Coordinator Dr. Sambit Patra, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda, former Chief Minister N. Biren, and MLAs Govindas Konthaujam, LM Khaute, Losi Dikho, Mayanglambam Rameshwar, and Nur Sanglur Sanate. Speaking to media after Yumnam Khemchan stake claiming government formation in Manipur, Tarun Chuk expressed confidence that Khemchan's leadership would help restore stability and development in the state. He said the BJP remains united and committed to working collectively for a better Manipur. Not only BJP but all the allied parties under BJP are united and committed to working collectively for a better Manipur.
सब बढ़िया होगा, मणिपुर अब रुकेगा नहीं, आगे बढ़ेगा।
विकास को लेकर सर
सब मिलके चलेंगे और सब खेम जी के नेतृत्व में यहाँ प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का एजेंडा, यहाँ गरीब का कल्याण, सेवा, विकास और विश्वास।
शपथ ग्रहण में सर कितने बजे और कौन कौन आ रहे हैं सर?
जल्दी जल्दी राजभवन में इन्फॉर्म करेंगे। भाजपा विधायक दल का परिपत्र
जी और
हमारे जो तीनों समर्थक दल हैं उनका परिपत्र और इंडिपेंडेंस का परिपत्र गवर्नर साहब को दिया है।